Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decode. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new in ServiceNow. Okay, so in this video guys, we are gonna learn how to set up our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, so to show you guys, I have already built an example in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so let me go to the example guys, and let me show you the example what I mean and what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So as you can see guys, this is the ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, as of now this is not complete, this is incomplete as of now, and we will learn how to make a full-fledged ServiceNow service portal page in ServiceNow. Okay, so as you can see guys here, this ServiceNow portal has got a menu also, and as you can see here is the brand logo icon. As of now I have given Google logo icon. Here you can see menu item as home, about us, category, my request, portal, cart, and system administrator. And here you can see some text, how can be help. Okay, here you can see the text also, search anything here, and this is the search bar guys. Okay, from here you can search anything, you can request anything also. Okay, and now here in the below you can see guys interactive services of ABCD technologies. Okay, and here you can see for cart, requester service, report an issue, we all request, my request, summary. Okay, so this ServiceNow portal guys has got a child drop down also menu. So let me show you the child drop down menu also. Okay, so this is the home. Let me click on the home now. See, as you can see, it has got child drop down also as home 1, home 2, home 3, and home 4. Let me click on the about us. See, it has also got a child drop down menu, about us 1, about us 2, about us 3, about us 4. Let me click on the catalog. It has also got the child drop down menu, catalog 1, catalog 2, catalog 3, and catalog 4. My request, portal, cart. As of now I have one item in my cart, so go to the view cart now. Okay, as of now I have sales laptop. Let me click on the sales laptop now. Let me click order it. Okay, from here, so I'm gonna okay, so I'm gonna continue shopping, or let me go on the proceed to checkout. Okay, checkout. So my request have been submitted guys. Okay, as you can see here, submitted request, and the request number is 001 000 to Acer Aspire Annex. This is the required requested item guys, and this is the name of the item, Acer Aspire Annex. Okay, as of now it is waiting for the approval process in progress. Okay, so in this video guys, we are gonna learn how to set up our ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, and in the next video guys, they will learn how to create this child drop down menu in ServiceNow service portal page guys. Okay, so first of all, let me go to the my instance. As you can see guys, this is my instance. So now let me click on the all. As you all know guys, this is the filter navigator, and from here you can search applications module also. So first of all, let me search portal. Okay, and inside the service portal guys, inside the application service portal, we have to click the module portals. Okay, so now we will create a new portal by clicking on the button new. Okay, so click on the in order to guys create a new service portal, we have to click the button new. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the button new now. I'm gonna give title as YouTube service portal. Okay, I'm gonna give URL suffix as YouTube SR. Okay, so let me copy this title and URL suffix for this searching purpose. Okay, so copy this URL suffix also. Now first of all guys, we have to choose the theme. In order to choose the theme, we have to click on the search icon. So let me click on the search icon. I'm gonna with guys La Jolla. Okay, this is the theme name, La Jolla. Okay, so now just save the page. Click on the right on the menu and click on the save. Okay, so as of now you can see service portal, YouTube service portal page have been created. Okay, let me go back. Now I'm gonna create menu. Okay, so go here, search menus. Okay, and as you can see under this service portal there is a under the service portal application there is the module name menus. Okay, let me click on it. As of now guys, I'm gonna SP header menu. Okay, so I'm going to copy this SP header menu. So let me show you one more time guys what I did. I just went there, all, go to the navigation, all, filter navigator and search menus, and inside the menus guys, inside the menus I mean service portal application, we have got the menus. Okay, so click on the menus guys. Okay, click on the menu and now click on the SP header menu guys. Okay, always remember, click on the SP header menu, then we have to clone this menu. Okay, then we have to clone this menu. I'm gonna click on the header menu, SP header menu. I'm gonna click it here, and then we have to clone this widget. As you can see here, there is 3 button: update, clone widget and delete. So we have to click on the clone widget button. So now I'm gonna name this widget according to my need, according to my requirements. Okay, so give this YouTube menu. Okay, copy this and paste it here for searching purpose guys only. Okay, give ID also as YouTube service portal menu. Okay, YouTube service portal menu. Copy this and give, paste it here for searching purpose guys. Okay, so now give short description also, or description here also. Give service portal, give YouTube service now service portal menu. Okay, so always remember guys, I'm requesting you all, please be here and watch the entire menu. Don't skip anything guys. Okay, but guys I would like to request you all, first please guys subscribe to this channel The Code guys. Okay, and please press the bell icon also guys, so that whenever I will upload a new video in the web development, Vue.js or ServiceNow, so that you will be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, please guys, it's a humble request, please subscribe to this channel The Code, and please guys press the bell icon also. And if you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, and please guys like all my videos, so that it will give me the confidence, it will give me the motivation to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing, as well as ServiceNow, as well as on Vue.js guys. Okay, so please guys subscribe to this channel The Code guys. So now let's go back to the code and now save this. Let me like repeat it again guys. First we have to go here and we have to search menus, and under the service portal application we have to click on the menus module, and then we have to click on the SP header menu guys, and then we have to clone this menu. Okay, we have to click on the SP header menu guys, header menu, then we have to clone this menu. As you can see guys, here we have got three buttons: update, clone widget and delete. Okay, so we have to click on the button clone widget. So now I have already clicked on the button clone widget. So now I have given different menu name, YouTube menu, and ID is also as a YouTube service portal menu. Okay, and description is YouTube service now service portal menu. Okay, so let me save this page now. Right click on the menu and click save. Okay, okay, so now I'm gonna create here like a new module inside the Angular ng template. Okay, inside the always remember guys, after clicking cloning the menu, after cloning the menu guys, we have to go down and we have to click on the Angular ng templates, and then we have to click new. Okay, let me explain you guys one more time. Okay, so go to the all guys in order to create a menu like this. Okay, like this guys. So we have to go inside the search menus, and under the service portal click on the menu, and then you have to click on the SP header menu guys. Okay, click on the header menu, then we have to clone this widget. Okay, I have already cloned this widget using the button clone widget now, and I have given name YouTube menu and ID also as YouTube service portal menu, and description as service YouTube service now portal menu. Okay, then I have already saved this page. Let me show you one more time, as I have already saved this page guys. Okay, so now after saving this page guys, okay, after saving the page we have to go down and we have to click on the tab Angular ng template. Okay, and now we have to click on the button new. So now now we have to again go guys, click on the menu again, go here, click on the SP header menu again. Okay, so now go down, click on the inside the tab Angular ng templates. Always remember guys, inside the tab Angular ng template we have to click on the menu template. Okay, so now we have to click on the menu template, copy this code from here guys. Okay, copy this code from here. What we did what I did guys, we have to go down. Okay, we have to go down inside the header menu, go down, click on the tab Angular ng template, and we have to click on the menu template. Okay, we have to click on the menu template, we have to copy this code. Okay, we have to go to the our menu. Okay, we just created. So go to the our menu guys, we just created. So now guys, we have to go here. I am looking for my menu guys. I just cloned using SP header menu. Okay, I have already cloned this menu using SP header menu. Okay, so I am looking for that only. I don't know where it is. Yeah, it's here. So now we have to paste it here, guys. Okay, the code, guys, I have copied it from here. Okay, from this menu template, guys, I have copied this code. Select again, copy it from here and paste inside the your menu template. Okay, so now give this ID as YouTube Prabhat menu. Okay, so copy this and paste it here. Submit now. Submit now. Okay, so now go to the menu, refresh the page. Click here. Not this one. uh, Prabhat Pandit custom menu, not this one. Okay, Prabhat YouTube menu. No, not this one also. So first of all, guys, let me cut all the tab. Okay, let me cut all the tab, then only it will be easy to find anything. So let me copy this and search it. No, let me copy this. Okay, guys, I think this is no, not this one. Go back. Apply filter. Created on today. Run the filter now. So I guess this is the menu, guys. Okay, so click on the me click here and give title as YouTube new menu. Okay, so give YouTube new menu, copy this title and paste it here. So save now or update. So now just go to the service portal, search portal, click here under the service portal. Okay, service portal configuration, we have to click on the module portals. Okay, so click here modules, and now we will search our portal page name. Okay, so YouTube service portal. Okay, this is the portal page name, guys. Okay, as you can see, YouTube service portal. So we have to click here, open this, and we have to search the menu. Okay, we just created here. So as you can see here, main menu. Okay, for this, guys, for the service portal page like this, for the service portal page, guys, like this. Okay, it is asking which menu you want to use. Okay, so I want to use the menu I have just created, YouTube new menu. Okay, so now save it, click on the menu, right click on the menu and save it now. Okay, so now we have to create a page also. Okay, so go to the all, create search pages, click on the pages under the service portal. Okay, click on the pages now. So now we have to create a new page using the button new. Okay, so what I did, guys, I just went there to the filter navigator, I search pages, and under the service portal, guys, you can see here pages. I have already clicked and I came here. Okay, so now I have to create a new page. So click on the button new, give title YouTube new page, give ID also same. Okay, so copy this title here and copy the ID also for searching purpose, guys. Okay, so now give short descriptions also, give YouTube new page by ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, give these short descriptions, guys. Okay, use SEO script also. If you want, you can specify CSS specific CSS here, guys, or you can create your readable URL structure. Okay, human readable URL structure you can also create from here. Okay, so now make it public. Okay, so now I am gonna click on the menu, click the right click on the menu and click the save. Okay, so now I have already saved this page. So now go to the service portal. Okay, this is the our YouTube service portal. Here it is, you are showing 4 buttons. Okay, update, try it, view analytics, setting and delete. So I'm gonna click on the try it now. Okay, so as of now you can see here, this is the predefined, guys. Okay, this is the predefined what can I say, service portal service portal structure. Okay, so now we are gonna change this. Okay, we are all gonna change this because this is the predefined service portal mod template. Okay, so now I am gonna copy this. As you can see here, guys, inside the service portal we have got the input field name as home page. Okay, so it is asking, guys, instead of this page, instead of this customer predefined ServiceNow service portal page, which page you want to display. Okay, this home page means, guys, instead of predefined ServiceNow service portal page, which page you want to display here. Okay, so now I'm gonna search my page, the page I have created. Okay, So this is my page. Let me go here and copy this and search it. Okay, so paste it here and search it here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this YouTube new pages. Okay, as soon as guys I will save this page. Okay, let me click on the right click on the menu and click on the button save. Okay, so now I have saved this page guys. Okay, so now as soon as I will refresh this page guys, okay, we will be able to see nothing here. Always remember guys, because inside this page, YouTube new page, we have created nothing. Okay, always remember guys, inside this YouTube new page, which is our home page for this service portal. Okay, as soon as I will refresh this page guys, we will be able to see nothing. So now let me refresh the page now. See, we have seen nothing. Okay, we have seen nothing as of now. We will be able to see our only menu. So now I have already taken this menu. So let me copy this menu here and let me show you by changing the menu name. Okay, so let me change the menu from here. I am gonna copy this my previous menu here, Prabhat Pandit custom nav bar. Okay, so I have changed the menu, main menu. Let me click on the menu and click save. Let me go here and refresh the page now. See, you can see our previous menu guys. Okay, this menu I have already created. Okay, so now let me change this. I just showed you as an example so that you will feel confidence. Yeah, see, this is the guys ServiceNow service portal configuration page. Okay, so whatever you will do here guys here, it will be reflected here. Okay, so as you can see here, home page, KB home page, login page, logo, icon. Okay, application 404 page, catalog home page, catalog category home page, main menu, theme. Okay, so as you can see guys, you can see here each and everything. Okay, so now let me change the menu. Okay, so paste it here and search. So use this menu guys, we have just created. Update or click on the menu and click save. Okay, as you all know guys, whenever I will click on the button update, it will go to the previous page. Okay, so always remember guys, whenever you will click on the button update, it will go to the previous page, and whenever you will right click on the menu and you will click save, it will remain here. Okay, the page will remain here only. That's why all the time I am doing this. I am going to click on the right menu and I click save. Okay, so it will remain here on the current page. Okay, so now let me refresh the page now. See, as of now BC is only system administrator and some YouTube service portal text. So we will change the logo also now. So just go to the logo and click to add. Okay, so now choose the file from here. So I'm gonna choose the file, same Google guys, same Google logo. Okay, this is the same Google logo I will use. Click on the OK. After choosing the image, we have to click on the OK. So now as you can see here, our logo is here. Okay, so now just save the page, go here and refresh it. See, as of now we can see our Google logo here. This is known as the brand logo. As you can see guys, here we are able to see ServiceNow icon only. So I will change this icon also. So now go to the icon and click to add. Okay, so I'm gonna choose icon here. So choose guys images. For the demo purpose guys, I'm going to show you how to change each and everything. Okay, I'm gonna choose guys this view.js logo. Okay, this view.js logo. So after selecting the image, we have to click on the OK. Okay, so as you can see, this is our logo and this is our icon. So right click on the menu, save the page now, go here and refresh. As of now guys, you are able to see this ServiceNow icon logo. Okay, so now as soon as they will refresh the page, you will see here Vue.js logo. Okay, see guys, this logo changed to Vue.js logo. So now see, I will explain you guys one more time. This is our service portal page configuration. Whatever you will do guys here, okay, like home page, KB home page, login page, okay, application format for page, catalog home page, catalog category home page, main menu and theme. Okay guys, it will be reflected directly on your ServiceNow service portal page. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna create the menu like this menu. Okay, here also. So now go to the menu, go to the menus, click the menus. Now I will search my menu, so copy this and search it here, paste it here, search it, so click it now. So now guys, we will create this menu item like home, about us, catalog, my request, portal, cart and system administrator is already there. So we will create home, about us, catalog, my request, portal. Okay, so as you can see guys, instance with menu, YouTube new menu. Okay, so this is our custom menu. So now inside this guys, I've already choose my widget as a YouTube menu. Okay, so now I will, in order to create menu item guys, we have to click on the click new button. So I'm gonna click on the button new. I'm gonna put label as home, so label as home. Okay, and the parent menu is this parent menu. Okay, our custom parent menu. Okay, always remember guys, the parent menu should be your custom navbar menu. Okay, always remember. So I am gonna give this as a URL link. You can change here guys, you can change the type from here, like page URL, service catalog, catalog category, catalog item, knowledge base, KB topic, KB article, KB category, filtered list and scripted list. Okay, so now as of now I am gonna put this type as a URL. I am gonna put some URL guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put https www.google.com. okay, so I'm gonna put this target as a blank. Okay, so I'm gonna give as a blank here, in order to put, like, in order to guys open in a new tab this URL link, we have to put URL target as blank. Okay, so I'm gonna choose as a icon home. Okay, I'm gonna submit. So submit it now. Go here and refresh your page. Okay, this is our ServiceNow service portal page, and we have just created one menu name as home. Okay, so now we have to refresh the page. See guys, we got our home here. As you can see, we got our home here guys. So now again click on the new. We will create system status, and now I will leave type as a page, and now I will search page here guys. Okay, I will click on this search icon guys. See, this is the page and it is mandatory. Okay, you have to provide some page here. Okay, so in order to provide, or in order to choose your page guys, we have to click on the search icon. So now I am gonna put, service category. Okay, here I have choose SC underscore category, and we have to provide the order also. So as of now guys, you will be knowing what is order. Order is something guys, you can put order like 100, 200, 300, 400, and your menu item will be stacked or will be placed according to the order. Okay, so as of now I have given 200, so it will be placed after the home menu item. Okay, it will be placed guys after the home menu item. Okay, so I'm gonna choose icon from here. I'm gonna choose this icon, star icon, for demo purpose. I'm gonna submit it. So now refresh the page. This is your ServiceNow service portal page, and we have to refresh the page now. See, we got our system status. Okay, so again go back, again go here and click new. Let me see the menu item guys. What is here now? About us and catalog. So put about us here. Let it be page only. We have to search page, and in order to put page guys, in order to provide page, we have to click on the menu like search menu icon. Okay, so now put some page, give KV review. Okay, give KV review 2. Okay, this is the page, and we have to provide order here also as 300. So now it will be placed after home and system. We will see our new menu item as about us. Okay, so now put the icon also. I'm gonna put icon as a file. So submit now. Refresh the page now. See, we got our 3 menu item: home, about us and system status. Okay, so now again go here. We have to create again new menu. Click on the new. Give, let me see the menu item, my request. Okay, give my request. Okay, let it be page only, and now we have to choose the page. We have to provide the page, and in order to provide the page guys, in order to search the page, we have to click on the search menu icon. Okay, so now I'm gonna put go forward. I'm gonna put search my request. Okay, search here my request. So this is the my request. I'm gonna select this my requests. Okay, as a page, and we have to provide here order also as 400. So now I'm gonna choose icon. Let it be I'm gonna choose this icon. Okay, as a calendar. So now submit it. Go to the service portal page and refresh the page now. See, as you can see, our home, system status, about us and my request. Okay, so now go again and click again on the button new. What is the next guys? Next is give, like give, what can I say, category. Okay, category. Let it be page only, and now we have to search page here. So I'm gonna put guys ESC_SC category. Okay, provide the icon also. So I'm gonna put this briefcase. Okay, as an icon. Submit it. So now refresh your service portal page. Okay, as you can see guys, here we have not changed the order of the category. That's why it is before the home. Okay, we have not changed the order of the category, guys. That's why it is before the home. So we have to change the order of this category, and you can do that, guys, from here also. Okay, so you can go here, click on the personalized list. So click on the icon personalized list, and we can go here and we can search order also. Okay, so put it this side here, order. Okay, so now put OK. So now we will be able to see our order also. As you can see, this category is of for 100, so we have to put like this as a 500. Okay, so make this as a 500, click OK. Okay, so now go to your page and refresh this service portal page. So now see, home, system status, about us, my request, and category. This is based on the order, guys. Okay, if you wanted to change any order, guys, we have to do modifications in the order. Okay, as of now this is 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, and if you wanted to change order, guys, like here of any menu item, like if you wanted to put like a system status before home, if you wanted to put about us before system status, if you wanted to put a category before system status, if you wanted to put my request before home, then we have to change this order. Okay, so now I'm gonna create last menu item. Go here and click on the new, I'm gonna give as a this as a portfolio. Okay, this is for dummy purpose, guys. Portfolio, let it be page only, change the order as 600, search the page from here. On clicking the search icon, I'm gonna put security alert or employee profile. You can put anything, guys. As of now I'm gonna put security alert. Okay, so click on the icon and choose this cross icon, click on the submit button, go to the portal page and refresh it. Okay, as of now we have got home, system status, about us, my request, category, and portfolio. Okay, so now we will do, guys, we will put this my request also here. Okay, so we will put here my request also. So go to the menus only, click on the menus, go here, click on the SP header menu, click here on the item added tooltip.html. Okay, so now we have to copy this template. We have to copy this template and we have to add it. Okay, so now we have to go to our menu. So click here and let's see if this is our menu or not. Okay, so YouTube. No, this is not our menu. So close this, go back, and we have to click on the this YouTube menu. No, not this one. Not this one. Close this also. Okay, just paste it here, and we are gonna search this YouTube menu. Okay, paste it here. Okay, this is our YouTube menu. Click it here. I guess this is not the menu. Go back, go to all, or run the filter always. If you have any doubt, you can go to the created today. Okay, created today, and run, click on the run. So yeah, this is our YouTube new page. YouTube new menu. Okay, as you can see here, this is our menu, YouTube new menu. Okay, so we have to click on this YouTube menu. Okay, let's just create new one and copy this and paste it here. Give ID custom cart. Okay, custom cart. Copy this ID and paste it here. So submit it and go to your service portal now and refresh it. As you can see, guys, we are not able to see our menu. Let me check one more time. Click here, .html, update, go here and refresh your page. We're not able to see our cart. Let me check why. Let me check why. Okay, guys, we have to put anything inside our cart. Okay, then only we will be able to see. So now then only we will be able to see, guys. Okay, so let me go to the menu, click on the Prabhat header menu. Okay, go here, click on this, click on this, click here, and we have to copy this JSON. Okay, we have to copy this JSON, guys, and paste it here. Okay, inside the YouTube new menu, which is our custom menu. Okay, which is our custom menu, guys. So now right click on the menu and save this. Okay, so now refresh your page. As you can see, guys, our cart has been added. Okay, as you can see, our cart has been added, guys. So in order to add our cart, guys, okay, we have to paste this JSON file. Okay, as you can see here, enable cart is here. Enable cart, display value is true and value is also true. Okay, so whenever you will make as a false, make this as false and save this. No, this is not our, so this is our, okay, make this as false, save your page, save this and go to the service portal page and refresh your page. Okay, 1 second, guys, make this also false. Refresh your page. See, we are not able to see our cart. Okay, because we have made this, value, display value as false and value is also false. Okay, so now we have to provide it as a true if you wanted to see there your cart menu there. Okay, so put true and also make this as also as a true. So save your page, click on the menu, right click on the menu and click save. Go here and refresh your page. Okay, so now we are able to see our cart here also. Okay, so click on the cart, view the catalog, and we will add some catalog, then only we will be able to see our item inside the cart. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on this Apple iPhone 13 and I'm gonna add it inside our cart. Okay, so add to cart, I'm gonna add it, guys. Okay, and this is the mandatory field, we have to select it. Okay, so this indicates mandatory field. This is the required field, guys. Is this a replacement for a lost or broken iPhone? I will say yes. What is the original phone number? Let's put something here. Okay, monthly allowance, I will put this much. I will choose blue and I will go with the 512 GB. Okay, so now I will put add to cart. Okay, see, now we are able to see here, guys, one item is added to our cart. Okay, so one item is added into cart, guys. So now we will go home. As you can see, this is home is the Google. Okay, so now just go here and we will just remove this or copy it from here, paste it here. We will made our URL using this URL. Okay, so now just remove this and refresh your page. Okay, so now we will copy this URL and we will go to our menu item. This is our home, we will put URL here. Okay, so we will put our URL here and click here. Okay, so it's done. Now our home page will be our home page. Okay, so let me click on the category. So this is our category, guys. Let me click on the about us. Let me click on the portfolio. This is now as a security alert, guys. Okay, as of now I have given some dummy link, some dummy URL. When we will build, then we will put some like actual or exact URL. Okay, so now let me click on the home. let me just check it one more time. Home is this. Yeah, why it is not being updated? Okay, just refresh the page. Go home. Okay, click on the home menu. As of now, okay, I have given type knowledge base. Okay, no, not this one, not this one, guys, sorry. I just edited a different menu, so we have to edit our menu, guys. Okay, so this is the different. Click on this menu, and now we will change our home URL to our actual URL. Okay, so just click here on the date. So now, as you can see, our home URL is this google.com. so now double click here, and we will change this to this. Okay, so now click save. So now go here and refresh your page. Okay, so click on the home. As you can see, we are here at our home page. Okay, so in this video, guys, let it be up to here only. In the next video, I will teach you how to create drop down menu, like child drop down menu, and we will learn how to add child drop down menu in our service portal here, guys. Okay, we will learn how to create child drop down menu inside this our service portal page. Okay, so as you all know, guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. In the next video, guys, we will learn how to create child drop down menu in ServiceNow service portal page. So thank you, guys, for watching this video. And guys, if you like this video, guys, I would like to request you, please, guys, subscribe to this channel, Decode, guys. Please, guys, support me. I need your support, I need your help, and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Decode, guys. Okay, and please, guys, press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload a new video like this, you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, so in the next video, guys, we are going to learn how to create child drop down menu inside the ServiceNow service portal page. Okay, guys, so thank you, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys. Okay, this video is dedicated to someone, guys, who is very close to my heart, who is very close to my feelings and emotions. This video is dedicated to her only. Okay, guys, so thank you, guys, for watching this video. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, guys. See you in the next video. And this video is dedicated to her, guys, only. She knows what I mean, and she knows whom I am talking right now. So thank you, guys, for watching this video.